Good morning everyone. Down on the south coast again. It is morning number 2. We've got the high tide about a couple of hours away. We're going to head down and set up, make sure we're fishing those a couple of hours before the tide and a couple of hours after the tide, and fingers crossed we catch some fish. Jacob is here for the first time for his first morning fishing. Whoa, the waves are quiet today, aren't they?
The crashing waves.
Crashing? No, they're not crashing.
Crashing into the ocean when they come in.
So fingers crossed we get a couple of fish. What a beautiful morning. Have a look at this. Alright, so 2 bits of pilly, double Paternoster. Let's see what we can do. I've actually got my double Paternoster up quite high just for this setup. Not intended, just how it happened. Through the back of the head there. There we go. 1. And twice through the tail. There we go, set up. Off we go. There's a beautiful gutter out there. Really close in. The tide's coming up, it'll get deeper. So just going to cast over where that wave's breaking right now. Here we go, cast number 1, morning number 2. Oh, the water's actually warmer than the air. Always love that. Plop. We're on to something. No monster, but a fish. Trevally. That's a big Trevally. That one can come with us. That's a good Trevally.
Yeah, and they're nice and clean.
Yeah. That is a good Trevally. You didn't know he was there?
No.
Oh.
All good. Oh, look at
Oh, here, you've caught your other rig. Oh, that must be...
luck.
That's how he must have got... Bloody hell, what? Something crazy's just happened. Now that tangled mess, one of those, my father-in-law lost earlier. He's now just hooked it up and brought it in. That is absolute madness. Madness. Anyway, we saved one of the good sinkers. These are the Gemini sinkers, which are quite nice. They hold down in the sand and you won't get dragged from side to side on the beach. That's crazy. Well, day 2, morning 2. We've got one decent trevally and we've caught a few salmon, but they're all small. No real stonkers amongst them. But this is a fantastic day. Have a look at this. There, got one. We got one. We got one. Come close. Come. You have to watch and see, ready? Watching closely? Flathead. Jack, you're in the way, buddy. I don't know. 33. Can you go and get my little bag? It's not bad. I think he's legal. 33 has to be, I think. Just a minute, Uncle. I'll just double check the sizing. Yeah, 36. 36, do you reckon he's 36? 36 is the size.
Yeah, 40.
Huh?
It's 38. Okay. Oh.
Hold on, wait, just wait. There.
Yeah, it's 40.
Okay, good. We got one, Jakey, to take home.
Yeah.
Day 2, morning 2's over. Well, it's actually getting close to lunch. We're about to go grab some lunch. As I said yesterday, it's a whole week of fishing, so hopefully we get a few more fish on camera for you than we did today.